The world is still asleep. But you're already moving. Already pushing forward. Already chasing something better. This is the silent grind. No applause. No recognition. No audience. Just you. And the road ahead. The quiet hours. Build the strongest people. Because nobody sees the effort it takes to keep showing up. It's easy to quit when nobody's watching. It's easy to stop when there's no pressure. But you didn't stop. You kept riding. You kept moving. You kept pushing. Even when tired. Even when drained. That's discipline. That's growth. That's the silent grind. Doing the work without needing praise. Some days are heavy. Some mornings are rough. Some nights feel endless. But you keep going. 1 mile at a time. Not because it's easy. Not because it's fun. But because quitting isn't part of you. Not anymore. You've come too far. You've fought too hard. You've grown too much. To turn back now. Keep riding forward. The road doesn't judge. It doesn't question. It just keeps going. And so do you. Quietly improving. Quietly healing. Quietly building. Quietly becoming. The person you promised you would be. This is your time. Your moment. Your journey. No distractions. Just focus. just breathing, just movement, just purpose. The engine hums. Your thoughts settle, and clarity appears. Not all at once, but slowly, like sunrise. On the horizon, the silent grind shapes your mindset, builds resilience, strengthens patience, and sharpens purpose. Every mile matters. Every moment counts. Every decision builds. The future ahead. Keep stacking wins. Small wins matter. Quiet wins matter. Personal wins matter. Because growth happens silently. Nobody sees the discipline forming, the strength building, the mindset changing, but you feel it. You know it. You're evolving, becoming stronger, becoming calmer, becoming unstoppable. The silent grind doesn't need noise, doesn't need hype, doesn't need validation. Just consistency. Just persistence. Just forward motion. 1 mile. 1 breath. 1 moment. And before you know it, you've gone farther than you ever imagined. Stronger than before. Wiser than yesterday. The road keeps going. And so do you. Quietly determined. Calmly focused. Moving forward. This is your grind. Your journey. Your discipline. Your growth. Your silence. No spotlight needed. No recognition required. Just keep riding. Keep building. Keep becoming. Welcome to the silent grind.